Available from National Autoparts is the complete overhaul camshaft kit for the Volkswagen Audi Group PD TDI engine. There are two versions of this kit, the CS9901K and the CS9901SFK. The CS9901K contains the camshaft, hydraulic lifters and camshaft lube. The CS9901SFK kit contains the camshaft, hydraulic lifters, camshaft seal, camshaft retainer bolts, fuel injector bolts, tandem pump gasket, OEM quality camshaft bearings and camshaft lube. For more information, contact National Autoparts.